Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a confirmation code not received or not sending on Instagram. So guys, if you're using Instagram and when you have logged in your Instagram and facing the issue that confirmation code is not received or not sent on your phone number or on your Gmail account. So guys, how can you get this number easily? You can fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it Wi-Fi, or you need to open your mobile data, and guys, after doing this, you need to go back. Secondly, you need to guys open your settings again, and guys, scroll it down. Here you need to click on app management, app list, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after searching Instagram, you need to click on storage and cache. Simply you need to click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, the third method is you need to open your Play Store here, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, you need to update your app if not updated. So guys, maybe this is a bug on your app. So guys, after updating, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, so guys, maybe this is the problem of your network. So guys, simply you need to reset your network. So guys, how can you reset? Simply you need to click on settings, system, and guys, you need to click on reset phone. Here you can see here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. By doing here, you need to select the sim in which you want to receive your code. So guys, simply after selecting sim, you need to click on reset. And guys, after resetting network settings, then guys, you need to restart your phone. And guys, after restarting, you will receive a confirmation code from Instagram. So guys, by doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.